This is one of the recipes my grandmother always had ready whenever the weather turned cold. With just ginger, garlic, and cloves, you can make your own massage oil to warm up and soothe your sore muscles and joints. It's super simple to make. Let's get started. First, the cloves. You don't need to wash or chop these. Just take about 2 tablespoons. Cloves are extremely rich in eugenol, a natural active compound that helps create a relaxing sensation and supports soothing tight muscles. Grind the 2 tablespoons of dried cloves in a blender until they become a fine powder. Then scoop 2 tablespoons of this clove powder directly into a glass jar. Next is the ginger, the secret ingredient that gives the oil its amazing aroma and a comforting, warming sensation during your massage. Wash it thoroughly and pat it completely dry with a paper towel. Then, use a grater to shred the ginger into fine, thin strips like this. Grating it helps the natural warmth of the ginger release easily and blend into the oil during infusion. Next is the garlic. I'm also going to grate it finely, just like the ginger, and put it straight into the jar. When finely grated, the natural compounds in garlic blend much faster once exposed to heat. Pour in enough olive oil to submerge the ingredients and stir gently so the oil reaches every corner. Make sure the oil covers the mixture by at least 2 centimeters. To let those aromas and essences infuse properly, we'll use a double boiler method. Place a small towel at the bottom of your pot. This prevents the glass jar from touching the pot directly, which could cause it to crack from the heat. Fill the pot with water until it reaches halfway up the jar. Bring it to a boil, then reduce to the lowest heat. Let it simmer gently and keep it there for about 30 minutes. After that, let it cool naturally. You'll notice the color of the oil change, and the scent of the cloves blending with the garlic and ginger is just lovely. Use a strainer to separate the clear oil, pressing down gently on the pulp to extract every last drop. Pour the strained oil into a clean glass jar, seal it tightly, and store it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. It's best to let it sit for about 10 days before your first use. What ingredients do you usually use for joint massage? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Every night, apply the oil to the areas that need care and massage for 5 minutes. Wrap it with plastic film and a warm towel to keep the heat in overnight. You'll wake up feeling so much lighter and more relaxed. I hope this becomes another simple recipe you can use to take care of yourself and relax right at home. If you try this recipe, come back and share your experience in the comments. I always love reading your tips and feedback. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more natural recipes in my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Wishing you great health, lots of energy, and endless joy in your life. Bye for now, and see you in the next video.